Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss implementation of binary search technique. Implementation of binary search technique. Already we have seen linear search procedure with an example and implementation of linear search, and we discussed the binary search also with an example. Now we are going to discuss implementation of binary search in C program, in C language. Okay, so now let us start coding. So include the header files, hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file, then hash include console input output header file, then start your main function. Then in linear search we have declared array variable, array size for looping purpose I, and element to be searched. So in the same manner here also we will declare the same variables a of 10, n, I, and the element to be searched. Then clear screen. Now, so first we will read array size, enter array size. It is easy to understand. See linear search technique. It is similar to linear search program only. Just the main logic only varies. Observe the differences between linear search and binary search program also. Scanf %d address of array size n, then read array elements. So enter elements into the array. For reading array elements, loop is required. So I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, then scanf %d address of your I am saving the program. Save the program. It is a binary search technique. Binary search.c. Now read the element to be search. Enter element to be search. Scanf %d address of element to be search we assumed as a key variable now. So we have taken key variable. See. So this is up to this step or up to this instruction. It is the same as linear search. But now it varies in binary search. Why? Because binary search, some variables, additional variables are required like low variable, high variable, and mid variable. And here we have to initialize low to 0 and high to n minus 1. See, most of the students, this initialization here itself will be given, but it is wrong. Why? Because low equal to 0 it is correct. High is n minus 1. Where you will get the n value? Here. But if you have initialized n value here itself, how can you know that n value? So that's why after reading, see here you can declare. You can initialize high equal to n minus 1. But so at the time of declaration you can't initialize this high variable. That's why after this n variable reading you can give. Okay. So now. So you have to repeat the process while low is less than or equal to high. First what we are calculating? We are calculating mid position. Mid is equal to low plus high. So we should write this low plus high inside the parenthesis. Low plus high bit. Otherwise according to higher precedence of operators, high by 2 will be calculated and then low will be added, which is wrong. You won't get any error. Why? Because it is syntactically correct but logically it is mistake. Okay, so mid calculated, then comparison of element with mid. So if A of I equal to, not A of I, mid position element, if A of mid equal to key, then element is present in the array, na? So simply we will write the message printf element is present in the percentage D position. That percentage D is nothing but mid here, and we had to stop the process. So break. Now if condition is completed, then if it is not equal, it may be lesser. So that's why if key is less than A of mid. If key is less than A of mid, what shall we do? We have to search in the left subarray. Left subarray is nothing but high equal to mid minus 1. If this is not satisfied, else if it is not equal and here it is not less, then definitely it is greater. Greater means we have to search in the right subarray. In the right subarray, low equal to, in the right subarray, low equal to mid plus 1, right subarray. Okay. So like that it will repeat until this condition is false. So now whenever low is greater than high, element is not present. That means unsuccessful search. Element is not present in the array. Get ch, save your program. See, if element is present in mid position, element is not present. That means whenever the condition is false, then this condition will satisfy. So, which means element is not present. Compile the program. No errors and no warnings. Execute the program. Array size 5. See, in binary search, see the video once. The rule for binary search technique is the elements should be in sorted order. So, give the elements in increasing order. Element to be searched. I want to search for 12. See, element is present in the 0 position. What I said, check another possibility also. Okay. Array size 5. We have to give an increasing order na 32, 36, 39, 50. Element to be searched. For example, 100 I want to search. See, element is not present in the array. This is a binary search program implementation in C language. Hope you understand, students. If you have any queries, you please send me in comment box. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye, ma.